Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome to my channel, Sabrina Budgets. In today's video, I am unboxing my first Erin Condren, I hope I said that correctly, planner. And this planner is going to be my 2024 planner that I'm going to be using, and hopefully I'll stick to it. But this is my first planner from Erin, so let's see. I did open it. This is just this is not how the box came. It was my address here, so I just ripped off the label, but the box is so cute. And let's get into it. So I'm gonna move the box only because the space I'm working with, it is too small. So by the time I open it, you see, I have some stickers here. Let me move this box. Let me move this box. Okay. And that's all it came with. Let's move it. How pretty this planner is. It's just neutral colors, not so loud. I'm just trying to stay so minimum where it's not too loud, because I'll be honest with you, I'm not into colors. I'm mostly into like black and white and gray. If you see my wardrobe, you'll be like, girl, you need some color in your life. But it's okay, because that's just who I am. And I can switch up. I can always add some color, which look, I have some color here. And this is what it came with here. It came with some stickers. Let me show you the stickers it came with. It came with these stickers right here. It says today, important shopping list, dinner plans, reminder, top priorities this week. And these stickers here says my weekly habits. And I got 2 of those. And yeah, that's what I got. So I didn't buy any stickers or anything like that, because I am gonna be either 1, making my own stickers, or 2, supporting other people's shops as well. So let's get into this beautiful planner. So this is pretty. I love it. And then it has, oh, this is detachable. Oh, I didn't even know that. This is detachable. So then here I am going to maybe write down some of my goals. This here would probably be my word of the year. I might just put there. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. And then the monthly planner is the one that I did go with. Actually, Lupita has this. I saw it in her video and I was like, oh my God. I saw her open it. I was like, that's what it's gonna look like. Because I thought it was beautiful. When I went into it, I was like, what is the simple planner I can go with? And then I could choose everything else I want to do with the planner. So this is what it is. Let me see. Can I move it up a little bit? I sure can. It says, a beautiful day begins with a positive mindset. It sure do. And it says 2023 to 2024. Which I don't know why, because this planner is a 2024 planner. But it's fine. Have enough courage to start. Nice. And enough heart to finish. And it has these little boxes here that you can maybe put some goals in, or maybe some top priorities that you want to get through the year, or maybe some affirmations. It could be anything that you can place here. And then there's a blank lines paper here. It says, today I choose joy, just for January. And that is the calendar. It has 2 sides to it and some notes on the side. I might not do too much to here. I might just place a sticker here. I don't know if I'm gonna do the dots. I might just leave this like this, because I just kind of want it, like I said, just minimum. But let's see, because you never know. I might want to play with some stickers. And then it comes with this January 2024 goals, important dates, important projects, and then tracking. Maybe you could put some habits here and just cross out if you went through them. Like if I went through my track my spending, I'll put X's. and stuff like that. And then here is a couple of blank pages. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 pages of blank paper. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm actually gonna use the stickers. I know I've seen a few people do the budgeting like that, and I thought it was pretty cool because I'm gonna be honest with you, like I said, I want to kind of do a minimum budgeting for 2024. I don't anymore. I kind of want just one simple budget, and then maybe do my bi-weeklies here, do my check-ins here, because I'm not gonna do, I might do a monthly, I might not do a monthly. It all depends. I think I might just do a bi-weekly check-in both here, and then do, let me rephrase that. I'll do my bi-weekly paychecks, and then I'll just do my bi-weekly check-ins. So to make sure that I'm going according to budget. So this is what this planner that I chose look like. So February, it says what you're looking for is within you. It says, and each section has the same papers that you just saw from January. Life should not only be lived, it should be celebrated. I believe that. April, it says find the good in every day. May, it says always the courage. It says always have the courage to start. You are right where you need to be. That's June. And then July is how beautiful change can be. I just love the tabs. The tabs are so beautiful. And so just, the colors are so perfect. Trust your intuition. I always trust my intuition. I don't know why, but I do. I can do anything, but I don't have to do everything. I was actually making a sticker with this quote, and I thought it was amazing to give out when people purchase things from my shop. So I thought this was amazing to share with, you know, as a sticker to people. And that was September. This is October. Focus on the good that's all around you. November, align action with intention. I think that's what it says. You see how the things are not so loud? It's just simple. It's like a soft paint. It's like watermark. You are wonderful just the way you are. That's December. And then we have a blank papers. Then it says heritage and awareness observations, I think it says. And then it has the little calendars. And then it has some more stickers here, which I didn't even know that. I just realized it just now. And then it has like a little folder here, like a little pocket folder that you have here. Can you remove this? No, this one you can't remove. And then you have this back here, which you could write whatever you want. So yeah, guys, so I decided to go with this planner. And I am going to get a erasable pen because just in case I mess up, I could just erase it. So that's what I'm going with. Let me show you guys the wallet, my everyday wallet I am going to be using. I already purchased it already. And no, none of this came out of my paycheck. I had got a bonus, and that's what I decided to start with, was to buy me a planner. And I actually bought me a wallet where I can do dividers with my everyday spending, which is this here is a Michael Kors wallet. It is a wallet like this, so I'm going to put the dividers in here, and that is going to be my wallet for every day. I have a bunch of slots here. I have my change that could go here. I have another little slot here, and then here. So this would be probably, I don't know what I'm going to use that for. But yeah, guys, so that is what I'm going to be using so far for 2024. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'm excited. I'm excited for 2024. I'm excited for the rest of this year. I hope everyone has many blessings throughout the rest of this year and blessings throughout 2024. So let's get this year started off right, and let's get this budget together. Let's get this debt gone. Let's just get life together. Let's just be happy and be able to live a way that we want to live. So I'm ready. I'm ready to really take, I've been ready, but life happens. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and I'll be seeing everyone in my next video.